Hello and welcome. Now you do need to have ChatGPT Plus in order to see the plugins we're going to be looking at in this video. What you're going to do is to go to your ID. You're then going to go to your settings. You're then going to see three areas. You're going to see beta features, data controls, and general. And what you're going to do is click on beta features. What you can then do is you can turn on web browsing. You can also turn on the plugins. So what we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the plugins. We are also going to turn in web browsing. What you can then do is you can close out your settings. What we're now going to do is we're going to log out of our account and then we're going to log back in. Once you do that, what you're going to do is to go to this area that says ChatGPT 4. You're going to see the default area. What you can then do, you can click this area that turns on the plugins. Right now, you're not going to see any plugins enabled. You're then going to click on this arrow that goes to the plugin store. You're going to see a disclaimer about plugins. What you can then do is to click OK. You will then see the plugins that are available. You're going to be able to sort for the most popular plugins. You'll then be able to see all of the plugins. And then you'll be able to see new plugins that have been developed. And for example, what we can do is we can install this plugin that's called Chat with PDF. And we're going to click on Chat with PDF. Now again, we've just chosen one plugin. We're going to close out our plugin store. What you're then going to see is that in your plugin area, you're going to have one plugin enabled, and that's going to be Chat with PDF. You can choose to turn the plugin off, or you can choose to turn it back on. We're going to upload the PDF. We're going to place it here inside of this dialog box. We're then going to click Enter. What you'll then see is that ChatGPT will then interact with the specific plugin, and then the plugin will interact with the document. And now that ChatGPT has interacted with the plugin, which interacts with the document, we can now query ChatGPT based on our document. And ChatGPT will then interact with the document through the plugin. And you'll see that the plugin works as stated. It actually allows us now to interact with a specific PDF with ChatGPT. And that is how the plugins will work together with ChatGPT. And you'll see a significant interaction with a specific document. We can go to a new chat. What we're now going to do is we're going to do something in order to search the web. So we're going to give it a difficult question that it will need to search the web in order to find out. And you'll see now that ChatGPT is surfing the web, and it's attempting to answer our question based on its view of the web. Now, one of the problems with ChatGPT and web-based references is that many times ChatGPT will then hallucinate. So that's why we're asking for a specific URL along with the information. So we're going to go ahead and click this link given to us by ChatGPT, which again typically ends up in a dead reference because it hallucinates. We're going to go ahead and click this link. And the article is exactly the way ChatGPT has given it to us based on its search on the web. So you can use the various plugins for various purposes that you see fit for inside of ChatGPT and interact with them using the large language model. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.